know, today I have a birthday party that I'm going to. It's currently 5:57 and we're gonna go meet at 6:30 at some place called the Acres. It's like a really cute spot where they have places where you can take pictures, and you know, they have movie nights and really cool stuff like that. So I really wanted to take you guys along with me to experience it all. But before we go, of course, we need to do the sacred outfit of the day check. So if you bear with me. So this top that I'm wearing is from Marshall's. I got it a couple of weeks ago. It's really cute. It's like this detailed lace trim little top with the buttons going down. Oh my god, this is like actually the cutest top that I own. And then these shorts I'm wearing are from Hollister. They're really cute. They are like a size bigger than I would like them, but honestly they're comfortable and that's all that matters. I'm wearing my not so new looking Converse. And then these nice little cute accessories that I have, I actually don't know where they are. These are pretty old, if I'm gonna be really honest. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the Acre. Hi guys, I made it to the Acres. This is honestly the cutest place that I've ever been to. But here's Taylor. Happy birthday, girl. How old are you turning?
17.
Oh my gosh. When I turned 17, my whole concept of reality changed. It was like, there's no way I'm turning an adult in 1 year.
Yeah, in a little bit, I'm gonna be the only minor in my family.
I did take some videos of the aesthetics of this place. We've been playing this game called Girl Code. I've never played it before. I'm fine. They're playing a movie behind me. I thought they were gonna play something else, but they're playing How to Train Your Dragon 2.
That's so cute. Let's dig in.
It is so hot and humid out here.
Huh?
It's so hot and humid.
I know.
I'm back home from the Acre. It is currently 10:48. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's so late, that's why I look busted right now. I got some really cute pictures that will be posted by the time this video is uploaded, so definitely go check that out at Elise Art on Instagram. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up, you know, undress, take my makeup off, and take a shower because y'all, it was so hot. 82 degrees, and if you live in Florida, you know how hot that is, especially at night. Like, hello? Hi, Milo. I have a list of things that I have to get done today because I have a friend coming over for a sleepover, and I'm gonna have Milo to support me through it all. So let's get started. I look extremely busted compared to yesterday. I promise I'm not like sleep deprived or anything. I just don't have concealer on. I fed the dog, I washed the dishes, I took out the trash, I cleaned my bathroom. The last thing I have left to do is to organize my room. I know you guys already saw me make my bed, but there's a little bit of clutter everywhere. Y'all are gonna come with me and clean that too. I grab a water bottle and then I forget that I have it, and then I grab another one, and then it's just an endless collection. I think I'm gonna go walk Milo because I did just feed him like 30 minutes ago. The only thing I hate about walking him is just that it's so freaking hot outside all the time. Like if you live in Florida, you know what I mean. Hey y'all! Emily made it. We're actually having a sleepover. I got it confirmed.
Yes.
It is currently 8:55 p.m. and we have a list of fun activities that we want to do on this sleepover. There we go. Yay! I'll get back to y'all when we go on to do those fun activities.
Oh, never mind.
Me and Emily will be making Supreme Triple Trunk brownies tonight. And we're going to be making it in the air fryer because my oven is broken. Alright. Now we're going to be aesthetic. It's now Emily's turn to break the egg and put it into the
Let's
bowl.
hope I do this right. It kind of looks like you.
Are you serious?
Yeah, twin of them. Ah, period. Yay.
Whoa!
Yay.
Look at her in there. This is her future. This is gonna be you as a mom.
What if I want to work?
Oh.
Ooh, I can't wait to lick the bowl.
Alright.
Look at my back.
It's so big. That tastes like goodness to me.
We cooked. No.
We baked.
We baked.
Oh my god. We preheated the air fryer and now we're gonna pour in the
Brownie.
batter. The brownies are done. We're gonna try to get them out. Maybe we'll get salmonella, maybe we won't. This is the outcome. They're a little fudgy, but they're definitely brownies. Hi guys, so as I'm editing this video, I realized that I never filmed an outro, which is a huge disappointment on my part, so sorry. But here it is now. I hope I was able to entertain you guys in this weekend in my life. I'm glad that you guys were able to see me hang out with my friends, especially Emily. She's somebody I've known my entire life, so she deserves all the love, as well as Taylor. If you guys are interested in watching videos like that where I do fun activities with my friends, I recommend that you watch my latest video, which was a summer senior party at my friend Georgia's house, and that was absolutely so fun, so definitely go check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.